Why do we even need fractions? Not for cutting dosai, but for measuring the real world. We have learned different types of numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, used for counting, integers, used for direction. But now comes an important question: what are fractions really used for? Measure accurately. Let's understand this with a simple story. Imagine you are going from home to school. First, you stand at the bus stop. That is just a location. You don't measure its length or width. It's called a point, zero dimension. No measurement needed. Now the bus starts moving from your stop to school. What do we measure? Only the distance, like 2 kilometer, 3.5 kilometer, or 3 by 4 kilometer. This is one dimension, only length. Now you reach school. They ask you to clean the ground. Now, what do you measure? Length and width. It's 2D, used to find area. Next, think about your school swimming pool. Now we measure length, width, depth. 3D, used to find volume. Can we measure all this using only whole numbers? No, because real life is not perfect. Distance can be 3.5 kilometer. Water level can be 3 by 4 full. That's why we need fractions. Fractions are not just for breaking things. They are used to measure the world accurately.